Exploring permutation, a journey into a group theory. Learning objectives. Exploring permutations. Welcome to our explorations of permutations and group theory. Today, we will dive into various learning objectives to understand the fundamental concept behind the permutations and their applications. Learning objective. First is transforming permutations. Our first objective is to transforming permutations by area form a cycle for a vice versa. This as a process of a visualized permutation in different representation, enhancing our understanding to their structures and properties. So next learning objective is the expressing permutation. Next, we aim to express the permutations as the product of disjoint cycles or the product of transformations. This allows us to break down complex permutations into a simpler components, fascinating analysis and computation. Learning objective 3, determining permutation properties. Our third objective involves the determining essential properties for permutation, such as their order, inverse, or products. Understanding to their properties enable us to manipulate permutations effectively and solve problems efficiently. Learning objective 4, writing and solution and proofs. Finally, we learn to write the solution and proofs for the problem involving permutation groups by applying our knowledge or permutations by group theory. We can tackle the wide range of mathematical challenges with confidence. In conclusion, learning objectives as we embark on a journey through permutation theory and a group theory, we embrace the beauty of mathematical abstractions and the power of vigorous reasoning. Together, let's unlock the secret hidden with a permutation to their transformative potential in the real mathematics world. And that's all. Thank you.